Welcome, friends. Today, hope you had a wonderful, blessed Christmas and time with family and friends. Today, I just wanted to talk about a junk journal in a planner style. So I wanted to explain to you, I have in the past few months been using just a A6 journal and just recording a bit of memory keeping and planning. So, but not so much in a junk journal style, but I'll just wanted to show you. These are a few things that I've collected for the month, and that has made it into my journal. So I thought in junk journal style for January 2024, I wanted to do it in a style of junk journaling. Using some of the scraps and things that I have and using it as a planner as well. So this is the idea I've got, and I started off obviously with the cover using the pressed flowers that I have collected. And the only thing with this is it needs probably some packing tape over it so that it will not be destroyed, because it's quite fragile. So I might do that after filming this. And I started off just with this page as December, because we moved house and I wanted to keep a record of what happened. And so in just no rules and just in a very simplified way, I just wanted to record my movements and some of the things we did during that week moving in. And I don't know if you remember these, I spoke about doing a bullet journal style junk journal in one of my other videos, and a friend of mine gave me these stickers that they wanted to get rid of, and so I've used these stickers, basically upcycling them for this particular journal. So as you can see, it's more of a planner style. So I have a few things that I've jotted down as to-do list or things that happen on that particular day. This, for example, I went for morning tea with my daughter, and the muffin came in was worthy of upcycling, and that made it into my journal. So I just wanted like a I won't say no frills, but like a very simplified way. If I don't get it done, it's okay. It's just going to continue on. And this, for example, is it came from Christmas. I really love it was so cute because my daughter bought a little toy for my dog, and I love the paper it came in, and so I did something in junk journal style in my planner. And this was the same, and this was again packaging, and I'm just using bits and pieces, and again using these stickers that came from my friend to just start off January 2024. Now I just found this and I just wrote it in, and this is a future log, so just logging things in the future that I needed to remember. And here again using the stickers, and I've left a few pages here because I just wanted to put the stickers. I found them, I didn't want to misplace them, and these are going to be filled. If they're not filled with writing or things that I needed to do, I would actually use it as a junk journal page and perhaps doodle something or upcycle something into my my journal. So the other thing I wanted to show you, which I love doing in my previous planners, I love doing memory keeping. So this is the dog, the cheeky dog that ate my flowers. If you remember my first few videos, I had flowers on the cover of my journal, and she ate it. I mean, don't think she's innocent. She is a monkey. And this is another one. I had a day out with family, and it was a beautiful day, and this is actually their brochure they had, and so I took that, I cut it out with I took some photos of the flowers and decided to put it in my journal. So this is just a video just to show you that you can do this. If you have pages left over from a previous planner, why don't you use that as a base for your future planner or planner in 2024? In my playlist, there is a way to make your own notebook. Perhaps you can upcycle that. So hope you have found this helpful. I'll see you later in another video. Bye.